pansin mo sa US, no, yung so maraming regulators actually ang nag-overlap when it comes to crypto asset related transactions. And mahabang usapan, the end of the day, some of it is actually fine. Some aspects of it are actually fine, pero at some point then medyo irreconcilable yung overlap na yon. Okay? And ito yung gusto nilang ayusin. Pero ang na-highlight palagi, mapapansin mo, is that clash between SEC and CFTC. Pero dito sa Philippines, ang clash na mapapansin, ma-observe natin is between SEC and BSP. Eh kahit naman sa US, hindi nga masyado na, we understand that there are certainly certain crypto asset related transactions, no, that might fall within the regulatory ambit of the OCC, for instance, no, Office of the Currency Controller, okay, which is their bank regulator. Naiintindihan natin yon. Pero medyo mas hindi siya yung prominent na regulator. Pero dito sa BSP magtatanong ka, bakit si BSP? Bakit si BSP? But that's the scenario. Okay. Now, I want to address what you've mentioned. Wala tayong CFTC dito sa Philippines. Okay. Actually, meron tayong CFTC dapat eh. Ang CFTC natin, ang regulator natin ng Commodities Futures Trading, IC, SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. Under the Securities Regulation Code, no, si SEC ang regulator ng Commodities Futures Trading here in the Philippines. Ang problem, since RA 8799, the Securities Regulation Code, was enacted in 2000 until now, 2026 na, it's been 26 years already, the SEC has not yet issued implementing rules to operationalize commodities futures trading here in the Philippines. At ang impact nun dito sa atin sa market is, unfortunately, under the Securities Regulation Code, may provision kasi doon sa Section 11 na sinasabi, until the SEC has issued implementing rules and regulations when it comes to commodities futures trading, nobody can engage in commodities futures trading. But to be specific, this involves retail commodities futures tradings. Kasi we know naman, banks are actually engaged in commodities futures trading, but that's wholesale, and that activity is being regulated by the BSP. No? But insofar as retail commodities futures trading, in the absence of implementing rules and regulations from the SEC, tagal na, 26 years na, until na wala pa, hindi tayo makakapag-engage in commodities futures trading.
So mas madalit sabi, ibig sabihin, bawal tayo mag-trade ng mga gold, CFDs, lahat kasi nga nakailalim sila sa commodities.